In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a t-shirt in Canva for print on demand. We're going to walk through the full process from starting your design to building your concept, optimizing it for print on demand, adding special effects, and finally downloading it in the right format so it looks sharp and professional on any t-shirt. First, let's start your design. Open Canva in your browser or app and log in. In the search bar at the top, type t-shirts. Canva will show you a whole section called T-shirt with ready-made templates. From here, you can click any template to start customizing it. This is great if you want a fast starting point with layouts and fonts already in place. If you want complete control instead, look for an option like Create a blank T-shirt or set your own custom dimensions. For print on demand, your provider usually recommends a size like 4500 by 5400 pixels or something similar, so check their guidelines and match those dimensions in Canva. Once you choose your template or blank canvas, you're ready to design. Next, create your concept. This is where you actually build the artwork that will go on the shirt. On the left side, use the Elements tab to add shapes, graphics, icons, or simple illustrations that match your idea. You can search for things like vintage badge, retro sun, or minimal line art, depending on your style. To add text quickly, just press the T key on your keyboard and Canva will drop a text box onto your canvas. Type your phrase, slogan, or brand name, then adjust the font, size, spacing, and color in the toolbar at the top. Try to use bold, clean fonts that are easy to read, especially for t-shirts. If you already have artwork or logos, go to the Upload section, upload your images, and then drag them onto your design. From here, move things around, resize them, and align them until the layout feels balanced and clear. Keep in mind how it will sit on the chest of a t-shirt, so avoid putting important elements too close to the edges of the canvas. Now let's optimize your design for print on demand. First, resolution. Print on demand works best at around 300 dpi or dots per inch, which gives you crisp, non-blurry prints. In Canva, when you choose large pixel dimensions that match your print provider's recommendations, Canva will handle the resolution for you behind the scenes. So focus on using a large canvas size, not a tiny image. Next, the background. For print on demand, you almost never want a solid white box behind your design. You want the design to float cleanly on the shirt. That means you need a transparent background. If you're using a template that has a colored background, remove it. You can either delete the background element or use tools like the background remover if you're working with images and you have Canva Pro. Your goal is to see the checkerboard pattern behind your artwork, which means it's transparent. From here, preview your design with mockups. In Canva, go to the Apps section and look for the Mockups app. Open it and you'll see different t-shirt mockups like men's styles, women's cuts, and flat lay shirts laid out on a surface. Choose a mockup that fits your style and apply your design to it. Canva will automatically place your artwork on the shirt so you can see how it looks in real life. Use this to check placement, size, and readability. If the design looks too small or too high, go back to your main design and adjust it. Next, add special effects if you want that trendy cutout or sticker look. Select your text or graphic, then go to the Effects or Edit options in the top toolbar. Look for an outline or shadow style effect. Set the outline color to match the t-shirt color you plan to print on. For example, if your shirt will be black, set the outline to black. This creates a cutout illusion once the background is transparent. Increase the thickness of the outline until it stands out nicely but doesn't overpower the design. This effect is especially useful for making white or light text pop on darker shirts while still looking clean. Finally, let's download your design for print on demand. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. For the file type, select PNG. PNG gives you high quality and supports transparency, which is what you need. If you have Canva Pro, make sure you check the box that says Transparent Background. This removes any visible background color and keeps only your design. Confirm your size settings so you're downloading at full resolution, then click Download and wait for the file to save to your computer. Once it's downloaded, go to your print-on-demand provider like Printful, Printify, or any other platform you use and upload that PNG file into their product designer. Place it on their t-shirt template, match the size and position, and you're ready to publish your design for sale or order samples. That's the full process for how to design a t-shirt in Canva for print on demand. From blank canvas to ready-to-upload print file.